Farming sustains communities, drives global supply chains, and plays a vital role in everyday life. And row crops are a key part of that system, from corn and soybeans to wheat and hay, and just about everything in between. We support a wide range of the farming operations that grow them. When it comes to the farms we serve, we look for a few key things: multi-generational operations, careful stewardship of the land, and a strong focus on equipment upkeep and safety. No matter the type of farm, we understand that every season brings its own set of risks and challenges. That's because our team has agricultural roots that run deep. Many were raised on farms, so they know what to look for and the right questions to ask to help prevent losses and put the right protections in place. It's underwriting that makes sense on the ground and holds strong when it matters most. When you choose Westfield, you get the confidence that comes from working with a team built on first-hand experience and a company that's been in the field for over 175 years.